Okay, so some of y'all have noticed I've not been posting like I normally do. I didn't even do an October weigh-in, even though I'm still losing weight, because I've been so unbelievably sick. Y'all know that I've struggled with like food issues and stomach issues basically since the beginning of my journey. Well, really, it's been going on for years, but I always just thought I would just deal with it, write it out. But it's to the point now where I'm in pain constantly. I'm bloated constantly. I've lost 126 pounds this year, and my face and my stomach is just still so bloated that I don't even feel like I look different. So I spoke with my doctor and he suggested a food sensitivity test. But to be honest, the idea of taking another day off work, doing another doctor's appointment, paying another copay really just didn't sound appealing. So I actually heard about this company called AFIL, or Advanced Food Intolerance Labs. And they send out these boxes here, and it's basically an at-home food sensitivity test. They send you this box. You take a small section of your hair about 1 inch long from the nape of your neck, so you won't even notice it's missing. You send it to the lab, and then within 72 hours, you'll have results on what types of things are causing the sensitivities, and you'll know exactly what to avoid. I sent mine off this morning. I'm extremely excited to finally have some kind of answers, and hopefully once I have that, I'll be able to eat better and then feel better. I'll put all the information down below in the caption if you're interested. Again, it's called AFIL. As soon as I get the results, I'll post about what type of sensitivities I have, and then what types of food swaps I'll be making to kind of avoid those. Now, I'm a little bit nervous about my results, but as long as it doesn't say I'm allergic to chocolate or coffee, I think I'll be okay. I'm a firm believer that the more you know about your health, the better. So I will have my results within 72 hours. And of course, I will be updating you guys on the process as well. So be sure to follow for more.